Welcome back. If the conversation goes beyond the height of the chat container, we would have to scroll manually so that we see the last message. And we don't want that. What we want is to automatically scroll to the last message so that you can see the last message. And I'm going to show you here if we don't scroll, what is going to happen. Let's just send too many messages so that the conversation goes beyond the height. Here, let's just answer these questions. And let's keep going. And here, and now if I answer this question, let's answer this question, and I'm going to show you what is going to happen. If I send this message, look what's going to happen. What's going to happen is that I will not be able to see it. I will have to scroll. As you can see, if I scroll, only if I scroll, I will be able to see this message. And we don't want that. We want to automatically and programmatically go to the last message, scroll to the last message. And in order to accomplish that, it's very easy actually. We need to get the height of this container and store it in the scroll top so that we scroll to the last message. And of course, we need to do that if a user sends a message or if the chatbot sends a message. So we will have to do that in two separate functions, in the chatbot send message as well as the send message. Let's start with the send message. So here at the end, after we send the message, what we need to do is that we need to scroll to last message. And in order to scroll to last message, all we need to do is that we need first to get the chat container. We need to get the chat container dot scroll height. We need to get the height, scroll height, and store it inside the chat container dot scroll top. That's it. And this will get the job done. So let's also copy it and paste it inside the chatbot send message as well. At the end, I'm gonna paste it. And now, whenever the chatbot sends a message or whenever a user sends a message, it is going to scroll to the last message. Let's save and refresh and test that. So now let's just answer these questions. And then let's continue. And now the last message, as you can see now, let's answer this message and see what is going to happen. If I send, look what is going to happen. It is going to scroll to this message, to the last message, unlike before where we had to scroll manually. Now it's automatically going to scroll to the last message. And let's also send some dummy message. Hi, as you can see, it is going to scroll to last message. And as you can see now, the conversation is too long. It's beyond the height of the chat container. And whenever I send a message, it's going to scroll to last message. And this is exactly what we want. Even if the chatbot sends a message, it is going to scroll to the last message that the chatbot sent me, because we have the same exact code inside the chatbot send message function as well.